All right, hello and welcome to today's video. This is not something that I have been planning to talk about or make a video on. Most of the videos that I've been doing in the recent past few weeks have been completely scripted, and there's been a lot of intentional thought and a pretty time-consuming process put into how I make, shoot, and what I say in those videos. But this is more going to be just me talking about something that happened to me today. So I woke up at around noon today, and I checked my phone, and then I went into my bank account statement just to see how we were sitting. Money has been not the most ideal thing for me and for most Americans as of late because of this whole pandemic that's been going on. Our paychecks are pretty scarce, and the only main source of income that I have is coming straight from the pockets of the government from unemployment packages. If you guys don't know about unemployment and receiving money for being unemployed, basically you just go on the website for your state, whatever state you live in. I don't know about out of the country, don't ask me about that. And I am by no means an expert on government issued financial packages, so this is just my experience with it. But I signed up to receive these unemployment benefits, and every week I have to request for a payment to receive some money to be directly deposited into my bank account. So I was expecting to get my payment for last week today. So I checked it in the morning, or in the afternoon, I guess. And to my surprise, there was an extra $600 in my bank account. So I was really shocked because I don't make that much money when I normally work. So like when I'm actually doing the job that I get paid to do, I don't even make that much money, especially on that week-to-week basis. So I was shocked. I didn't really know what was going on. I thought maybe it had been a mistake, and that like they accidentally, or I clicked the button that accidentally made them give me more money than I deserved or than I should have gotten. But I reached out to a few friends. I told them what had happened. They're like, "Yeah, I got that same amount too. I got a crap ton of money as well." So I was curious about what happened, and I turned to the internet to look up to see what was going on. And apparently, Congress has released a $2.2 trillion package. Let me pull up the article so I'm not spewing bullshit. So some states, I think it's just some as of now, and more will probably hop on that historic enhancement of unemployment benefits. Basically, Congress has a 2.2 trillion, I almost said million, $1 trillion package to address some of the issues around employment and to help provide relief to help prevent the economy to further just get messed up. And an article in CNN said that it includes a weekly $600 payment in addition to any state benefits that you might already be receiving. So I guess we will see if I filed for this week's payment today, so that will come in probably a few days to a week, and I guess we'll see if there is another $600 surprise in there. I really hope there is. That'd be fantastic. If not, I get it. Like, there are certainly people who need it much more desperately than I do, but $2.2 trillion is a lot, so I can understand if there's some room to give a little bit to help a brother out. Anywho, I'm excited to see what the government's going to be doing, because at first it was announced that Americans would receive a one-time $1,200 stimulus paycheck to address the issues of unemployment, which certainly one time is not very much, but I think I was really upset because I'm 19 years old, going to be 20 years old tomorrow actually, and I'm not included in that government issued stimulus package because, one, I'm a college student, and two, I'm a dependent and I live with my parents. So that was really frustrating on my end, and I thought that I, quite frankly, had gotten cheated out of some money that I've been missing out on. Waking up to seeing $700 just thrown into my bank account was a very nice and welcomed surprise. And if this is going to be happening on a week-to-week basis, as I'm under the impression that it will be from that CNN article, I am certainly looking forward to that. Expect to see an increase in quality in these YouTube videos. But yeah, let me know what your guys' thoughts are, or if you have had anything, experienced something like this with your bank accounts, because we're all going through this together. This is all a problem, an issue, and these are all solutions that hopefully we will all be experiencing together as well. If you guys have any updates on this topic, throw them in the comment section below to help educate those who are coming to watch this video. And myself, that as well, because I just watch the news and I look at my bank account. That's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on Friday in the next scheduled YouTube video.